Hi, my name is Stephanie and I'm with She Jumps, and I'm going to talk to you today about radios. This is a basic radio, and this one is the patrol radio I use at one of our local ski resorts that I patrol at during the wintertime. So both of these radios have volume and on-off switches. They both have pre-programmed settings. So patrol, we have specific channels that we use and that public are not on. And then we have our family channel on this one where basically everybody can use it, but we are able to use it when we're backpacking, when we're hiking, when we're camping, and when we're skiing too, so that way we can keep in contact with one another. Both of them have antennas. This antenna is a little bit smaller because it has a little bit smaller range. This one's got a much larger antenna. It will allow me to be on the front side of the mountain or the back side of the mountain and be able to stay in contact with all of my patrollers and dispatch no matter where I am on the hill. So when we report an accident or if someone needs help, there's some basic things that we talk about. We use an acronym called SAILOR. So it's sex, age, incident, what's wrong with the person basically. L is location, E is equipment, and R is resources. So I'm going to give you a quick little rundown of how we would use this. Durban to dispatch.
Dispatch, go ahead.
I'm here with an accident, a male, 22 years old, with a possible broken femur. We are at Leech Lake at the north end near the Pacific Crest Trailhead. We are going to need a traction splint, a backboard, a litter, and some extra rescuers to help with transport. If airlift or ambulance is available, we will need to get them rolling.
Copy. Leech Lake, North End, Pacific Crest Trail. Traction splint, backboard, litter, and extra rescuers on the way to location.
Affirmative.
Contacting Airlift Northwest.
Stand by for vitals.
Standing by.
Ready for vitals.
Dispatch, go ahead for vitals.
Respiration 16, pulse 60. Patient is responsive and verbal.
Copy vitals. Airlift Northwest will be on the ground at 15:25.
Affirmative.
Dispatch out.